Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. Brazo de Mercedes. Yep, it is one of life's sweet treats. It is a favorite dessert among Filipinos. This cake tastes so heavenly. Pinoys crave for it, wherever part of the world they are. However, this time, it is not that easy and convenient and safe to get hold or enjoy Brazo de Mercedes outside of our homes. Why don't we make it homemade? Yes, we can. It is not as difficult and intimidating as you might think. It's fun and exciting. Yeah, a bit challenging, but if I can do it, you can do it too. Maybe even better. It's so good. It's worth every effort. Try it. By the way, we are also doing Brazo de Mercedes in a cup. This way, it is more kid-friendly and fun to indulge in our favorite dessert. Let's start our cake with the filling. Pour the condensed milk in the pan without any heat yet. Then add the flour, stir and mix to combine. Add the egg yolks and blend until smooth. Cook over low heat until thickened. Add a teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. Finally, add the butter. Continue stirring until it is thick enough. Set aside to cool. To make the meringue, we start by separating the egg whites from the yolks. We start mixing the egg whites at low speed. You may also use a hand mixer. When the whites start to bubble, we add the cream of tartar and increase the speed to medium. Add the sugar gradually and set the speed to high. Add vanilla and continue mixing until soft peaks form. Line the baking pan with parchment paper. Grease with butter to prevent meringue from sticking. You may use a fork to put a little design if you do not have a cake comb. Meringue is done when slightly brown. This is the tricky part. Roll the meringue from side to side using parchment paper. Chill for a few minutes before slicing. It's tasting time! Slice and transfer to a serving plate. Share and enjoy! Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na! To start our Brazo Cupcakes, fill the piping bag with meringue. Pipe the meringue into the cups, leaving a hole in the middle for the filling. Meringue is done when slight brown on top. Pipe in the filling into the hole. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. Let's see what's inside. Ooh la la!